Before the opening bell, U.S. futures, they happen to be drawing a consolidation. This after the Nasdaq jumped to another record close of 13,404. Now, U.S. indices, they did manage to close mixed on Thursday. This with the combination of tech, hardware, and equipment, as well as semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, and the retailing sectors. All of them combined, the best performers on the day, while the combination of energy, transportation, as well as material sectors, they happen to be the worst performers. This all as 34% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. Now, taking a look at after-hours action. First, we have IBM in the headlines, sliding post-market after disclosing fourth quarter sales down $20.4 billion, below estimates, down from $21.8 billion a year earlier. Moving on, also in the headlines, Intel losing ground in the extended trade. This after its CEO said that the company plans to manufacture the majority of its products internally by the year 2023. Now, in terms of expectations today, this Friday, we do have results due out for Schlumberger. While on the economic docket today, we do have a busy one after the opening bell. We have the release of market services PMI, as well as market composite PMI and manufacturing PMI reads. Then after that, we have the release of U.S. existing home sales figures. Taking a look now at the markets, the S&P 500, that's where we begin. Intraday, that sees the downside prevail. Moving on, the Nasdaq intraday, that's what's in focus as it's turning down. The Nasdaq has its relative strength index advocate for further decline. Short positions below 13,400 are favored, with targets at 13,285 and 13,200 in extension. This while the Dow Jones intraday happens to see the downside prevail.